You want to grow, you want to be smarter, you want to be creative, successful, and maybe even extraordinary. But what's the one habit almost every high performing people on earth shares? They read. Reading is not just a hobby, it's a habit that builds your brain, your identity, your focus, and even your future. And in the age of AI, where everything is instant and fast, reading is one of the few things that keeps you human. In this video, I'm going to break down why reading habit is more powerful than we think, why the most intelligent people on earth protect this habit like gold, and why you should start building your own reading habit starting today. What is reading habit really? A reading habit isn't just about finishing books, it's about building a relationship with knowledge. It's about becoming someone who seeks wisdom, not noise. Some people read for speed, others for depth. But at the core, reading is a rhythm, a way of slowing down and listening deeply. When you read continuously, even for 10 minutes a day, you train your brain to stay present, focused, and alert. Why reading habit is a superpower for your brain. Reading rewires your mind, it sharpens focus, deepens empathy, and strengthens memory. When you read, your brain isn't just processing what it's built new neural connection. You've learned how to think critically, connect idea, and solve problems. And in a world that moves fast and thinks shallow, deep reading gives you an edge. People who read regularly have better attention span and stronger decision-making skill. Reading literally makes your brain stronger like a mental gym workout every single day. Why successful people make reading a priority? Let's look at the people who have changed the world. Warren Buffett reads 5 to 6 hours every day. Bill Gates 15 books a year. Elon Musk landed rocket science from books. Oprah built her entire worldview through reading. Novel can't read what you love until you love to read. They don't do this because they are bored. They read because it gives them leverage. Because when you read, you learn from other people living without having to live them, and that's how you grow faster than your environment. Why AI will never replace this human skill? AI can summarize, write, even mimic creativity, but it can't do this. It can sit with an idea, feel it, reflect on it, and let it change you. Reading is not just input, it's transformation. It gives you answer, but books teach you how to ask the right question. That's where real intelligence begins, and no machine can replace it. How reading habits build? You build every other skill. Want to be a better writer, designer, filmmaker, reader? Start reading. Readings depends on your vocabulary, your way of thinking, your emotional depth. It gives you perspective, something short-form content cannot afford. It teaches you how to learn, and that skill make every other skill easier to master. And that's the foundation of all self-education. Why you are not reading and how to study anyway? The most common excuse, I don't have time, but we scroll for hours without noticing. You don't need to 2 hours a day, you just need 10 minutes. Start with book you love, novel, short story, even comic. Build a habit fast, the discipline will follow. Reading isn't about how fast you go, it's about how deeply you connect, and once you feel that, you wouldn't stop. Build your habit, build your future. Reading is a seed. Every phrase you read, you water it. Over time, it grows into your knowledge, your creativity, your identity. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect book. Instead, wait one page, one chapter, one small promise to yourself. The person you are becoming, they are waiting on the other side of that book you haven't opened yet. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who's struggling to start reading, and tell me in the comments what book changed your life, or what book you will start with today. Subscribe if you want more deep human content, no fluff, just growth. And remember, reading isn't just a habit, it's a revelation of the mind. You have got this.